Hello, I'm McBradden Bones, Landscape Conservation Area Officer for South East Essex. Today, Marine Month, I'm here at Woodham Fen Nature Reserve in South Woodham Ferrers. A little gem of a place tucked away between housing estates, farms and roads. Really unusual in that here you've got the natural transition from salt marsh to wet grassland to dry grassland, something that's not very common anymore. Fantastic little reserve. And let's see some of the things we can find out here.
This is the wet grassland. Plashy pools and muddy areas are really good for lots of invertebrates like dragonflies and raft spiders. As you move up away from the sea, the grass dries out. A patch like this would be really good for skylarks, turtle doves, hunting barn owls, as well as a myriad of other insects that live here. There's good access all over the site, so it's really easy to get quite close to the marsh without getting stuck. As you can see, some of these rills are quite muddy and plashy, but they're brilliant for waterfowl and other wildlife, not to mention the stunning views. A well-made path runs the whole way of the reserve. This is Fen Creek, gives the site its name. This drains out into the sea further down south. It's really good for things like waterfowl, which are often seen down here. The water coming in is fresh water. Changes to brackish or salty water the closer it gets to the sea. These drier meadows are cut for hay once a year, which helps control scrub, keep trees down and lower the nutrient level. This allows a myriad of beautiful flowers. At the right time of year, this meadow is absolutely awash with colour, butterflies and the buzzing of bees. This delicate little flower is lady's bedstraw, a good indicator of a good quality meadow. This is eggs and bacon, or bird's foot trefoil. Tiny little plant, also a good indicator of a good quality meadow. The freshwater ditches and streams are covered with reeds, which are really good habitat for warblers, waterfowl and dragonflies. Freshwater is abundant on site. This freshwater pond is another good place to see waterfowls. We've even had otters here on occasion. These thick tussocks provide really good hiding places for small mammals like field mice and voles. The grassland is really good for lots of insects. This is a marbled white butterfly, seen in July. This isn't a funnel web spider, but it does look like one. This is the nest of a labyrinth spider.
So I hope you've enjoyed a visit today to Woodham Fen, and hopefully it's inspired you to do something for the Essex Coastal Challenge. It's not too late to get involved. You can walk, run, cycle, swim, anything, just to raise money for the Essex Coastal Challenge or sponsor someone else who's doing something. And don't forget to send us some updates of what you've been up to on the coast. Bye now.